Hi, I wanted to make a video to explain how to write the logarithmic equation when we are given exponential form. So just a quick recap of some information that I've already presented in the videos and that you probably have already seen by the authors of the textbook when they discussed it in their videos. But if we have, let's say, x equals a to the y, we could also rewrite this as a to the y equals x by just putting the a to the y on the other side of the equal sign. Okay. This is exponential form. And because a logarithm is an exponent, we can transition from exponential form to logarithmic form by doing what I call going around the world. All right. So the base in exponential form is the a. A is the base of the exponent. A will remain the base in logarithmic form. So when we write the word log to denote we have a logarithm, A is going to become the base. And then we go around the world. So we go around the equal sign to the other side when we are going from exponential form to logarithm. So we go around to the other side of the equal sign, and that would take us to x. So log base A of x, and then we come back around. That is going to equal y. So that's how you go from the the exponential form to the logarithmic form. The same thing can be said from go from logarithmic to exponential, right? So if we had logarithmic, which log base A of x equals y, the base of the logarithm is going to be the base of the exponent. So I would write the base. And then also go around the world, go around the equal sign. So this should be a raised to a power of y, come back around, and that equals x. Having said that, let's look at the example in question. I'm going to move it down and then make it a little bigger. Okay, so they've given us the exponential form, p to a power of a equals 25. And we want to write the logarithmic form. So again, what's the base? The base is p. So in the logarithmic form, the base will also be p. And then go around the world. So log base p of 25, put your equal sign, and then go back around the world, equals a. So the answer, the logarithmic equation, is log base p of 25 equals a. All right? Let's do one more example, and then I want to show you how to use the calculator because I believe that was also part of the question that I was asked via email. Alrighty. So let's say we had, let's just make this example number 2, if you will. Okay. So let's say we had log base 49 of 7. Okay. Now, we can solve this on the calculator. I'm going to show you how to solve it on the calculator, but I also want to show you how we can use what we know about logarithms and write this in exponential form and then solve it that way. So we can say this equals something that we don't know. And in math, when we don't know something, we call it a variable. So let's say it equals x. The base is 49. So 49 is going to be our base. Go around the world. So 49 raised to a power of x. Put your equal sign and then come back around the world and it equals 7. So 49 raised to some unknown power will give us 7. All right. And so when we're solving this, well, we know the square root of 49 is 7. So that would mean x has to equal 1/2. Okay. So our properties of radicals, if we remember from our previous chapters, the square root of 49, the square is the index, which is the same thing as 49 to the 1/2. Okay, so x is 1/2 is the answer we'll get. Let me show you how to use the calculator to get that answer. Now this is all dependent upon what type of calculator you have. The one that I'm going to show you on the screen is, let me get it on the screen. I'll try to. Okay. So this is a TI-84 Plus, right? So your TI-84 does have the change of base, where you can use logarithms in a different base. And to get that, I believe, I haven't done it in a while, but I think it's math. Is it 0? Let's see. Oops, went too far. It's A. So do math, go down to A, press enter, and you see now I have where I can type in the base that I want. So it was 49 is the base we want, and we want to take the log base 49 of 7. Press enter, we get 1/2. Okay? Now, if your calculator is like older and doesn't have that feature under math, you can change the base yourself. And the way we do that is we just go straight across. So we're going to convert it to the common logarithm, which is a default base of 10. And so we're just going to press the log button. Every time you press the log button without putting a different base, it is understood and automatically a base of 10. So we're going to go straight across. So we're going to do log of 7 in base 10. And then we're going to divide that by the log of the base that we wanted to change it to, but that our calculator didn't have the capability of doing. Okay, so again, we just went straight across, log of 7, and then divide by log of the intended or desired base. Press enter and we get 1/2. So you can use your calculator in both capacities to arrive at the same answer that we got by solving it algebraically. Let me know what other questions you have.